Moving on to number 2, something that is also very, very important for homeowners, you have to have homeowners insurance. And homeowners insurance has become a bigger take of the housing puzzle, because when you're looking to apply for your home, your lenders will typically use an estimate to kind of buffer in your payment. But as you go under contract, then you actually have to find homeowners insurance, and that's when you're getting real live quotes. What do the deductibles look like? What does it cover? What does it not cover? And all of that. And as weather patterns are continuing to change, homeowner insurance is changing with it. Usually that means increased premiums, increased deductibles, less coverage, or you need to get secondary coverage for certain things like flooding or fire, or who knows what it will look like in the future. So 5 years ago, almost every buyer asked me one thing: interest rates. Today, it's how much is homeowner insurance going to cost? How much are property taxes? Although that initial, your principal payment is still important, these other two are going to be right there next to them, because they're going to make up a pretty good chunk of your payment as well. And so insurance premiums across Texas have increased due to several factors: higher building costs, more expensive labor, higher materials. A lot of it though is weather pattern driven. As you've seen, I'm sure nationwide, you're seeing more tornadoes, floods, fires, hail. Hail is a really, really big one here. So you're seeing more deductibles when it comes to wind and hail specifically. And I know the area in Dallas, I've talked to a insurance broker, and he was talking about how sometimes people are getting priced out, not because of the home, but because the insurance premium is so high. And so that's something that you really do have to take in consideration. And you do want a good insurance, because I'll talk to clients and I'm like, hey, just want to be cautious. I know, it's going to be a bite the bullet either way, but you do want something that will have decent coverage. Should something happen, you actually can rely on your insurance. So sometimes you have to be careful getting the least expensive option. Although I get it can turn around and bite you, because especially weather, it's going to happen at some point. Now, of course, we don't want anything crazy, but just again, example here, we've had a lot more hailstorms and a lot more roof replacements, and insurance is reflective of that weather change.